Good morning children. See, we have started our 7th class syllabus and our biology first chapter is about what? Nutrition, about food, is it? So why we have to take food and what are the different ways the plants and animals take food? See, in this the method, what is nutrition actually? Yeah, taking in our food and utilize that food for our benefit, for energy, for to grow. So for all this purpose, we are converting the energy obtained from the plants, and that process is called what? Nutrition. Okay, nutrients is different, nutrition is different. I told you last class what is it. So the nutrition is mainly divided into two types of nutrition. What are the two types of nutrition? Autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. So last class we discussed about autotrophic nutrition. That means the who is doing the autotrophic nutrition? Green plants. That's the reason green plants are called autotrophs and producers. They are only the real producers. They are only producing the food. That's why we can call them as producers, autotrophs. Okay, and so this we discussed about the green plant, how they prepare the food, and that process is called, what is that process called? Yes, that's called a photosynthesis. Photo, light. In the presence of light, they are preparing food for us, food for all over the world, food for all the animals. Who is doing that work? Green plants. And we have to give respect to that green plant just because of giving food. See, and they prepare what food they will prepare. What is the name of the food they prepare and store? What is that? With the help of sunlight, they will do photosynthesis. They will take what they will take? They will take water and they will take from carbon dioxide, and water and carbon dioxide mixed together, and for that mixing we need some energy that is given by who? Who? Sun. Sun gives energy and that mixing is over, and after that the product is getting, what are the products? Yes, glucose and one most essential gas. What is that? Oxygen. So these are the products. So we got the products. So the result is what? What is the name of the food? Glucose. The chemical formula of glucose is C6H12O6. So that is the chemical formula of glucose. So they are preparing the glucose. But see, now you learn that the plants are preparing glucose. But the teacher is saying that you get only glucose from the plants? No, you are getting other things. What are they? Protein. Most important another nutrient is what? Protein. So you are getting protein also from the plants. Then who is making protein? How they are making protein? Have you thought about that? Who is making this protein? Don't know. Okay. So see, for the glucose, what is the chemical formula? C6H12O6. That means they need carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. These only needed to prepare glucose. But to make protein, they need one more material. What is the name of the material? You know? That is nitrogen. So plants need nitrogen to prepare food. So after making that starch or glucose, they have what things? Carbon is there, hydrogen is there, oxygen is there. So they need what? Nitrogen also to prepare the protein. So from where they get the nitrogen? Are they making nitrogen? No. Where is nitrogen is present? Abundant nitrogen is there. Where is it? Yes. Where is it? In the atmosphere. In the atmosphere, lot of nitrogen is there, and this nitrogen should be taken by the plants. How the plants are taking this nitrogen? Can they absorb that nitrogen from the air? No, it can't take nitrogen from the, maybe it may get in, but it can't be used. They can't use the nitrogen present in the air. So who is helping? Yes, so they are getting the nitrogen only from soil. With the water, they are absorbing some mineral also. That's why if a plant is not growing very well, we will put some fertilizers, is it? Something extra chemical, something we will put. Then only the plants will grow well. So not only the water, they need what? Minerals also from the soil. So then okay, so they are getting nitrogen from the soil. Then who is giving nitrogen to the soil? Who helps to get nitrogen from the atmosphere to the soil. So the change of nitrogen from atmosphere to the soil, and that process is called nitrogen fixation. So nitrogen fixation is nothing but change of nitrogen from the atmosphere and mix into the soil. That process is called what? Nitrogen fixation. So there are a lot of some important workers are there who is doing this work very beautifully. I will introduce them. They are, see, can you see these roots? These roots are different from other roots. Can you some bulge like structures or round structures on the root? Yeah, these are called nodules or root nodules. Can you guess which plant it is? It is white color, but it is actually not white color. It is actually green color. But after keeping its formalin, change into what? White color. It is preserved one, not the fresh one. So now you saw some nodules. So this is a plant, and what is here? Beans. It is a beans. So this beans plant, all these beans, pea, all types such plants are called what? Leguminous plants. Such plants are called leguminous. You have learned from where you get protein. You get protein from pulses. The same plant is called as what? Leguminous plants. So what is the peculiarity of leguminous plants is that these leguminous plants roots contain a special structures called what? Root nodules. See, these root nodules contain a very friendly bacteria, and its name is rhizobium. What is the name of the bacteria? Rhizobium. So where can you find out this rhizobium? In this root nodules you can find out this rhizobium bacteria. So the important function of rhizobium bacteria is that it just convert. It will just take the nitrogen from the atmosphere, and it is actually doing for himself. It is actually giving to the plant. But some part will mix into the soil also. And not only that, when the plants get what is that? When it gets decayed, this nitrogen will mix into the soil. So like that, who is giving nitrogen to the soil? Leguminous plants. So the leguminous plants give nitrogen, and plants use this nitrogen and prepare what? And prepare protein. So protein is prepared with the help of nitrogen, and that nitrogen is given by who? This bacteria. That's why see, if any plant is not growing, all the plants roots does not contain water. Rhizobium. Only these leguminous plants contain what? Rhizobium. So what the farmers actually will do, if the soil does not have much nitrogen or much nutrients, the farmers will grow more and more pea plants. Then if so many pea plants are growing, the soil will be rich of nitrogen. And then after that, they will just mix all that pea plants after harvesting, mix into the soil very nicely. And then after leaving for some time, then the soil will be rich of nitrogen. Then they will sow or they will plant some other crops like paddy, wheat, all of that. And that is called. That means first they will plant pea plants, and after harvesting they will go for any other plant. And again harvesting that plant, again go for the pea plants. That is called the crop rotation. Crop rotation. See, crop rotation is nothing but first they will grow any what? Leguminous plants first, and after harvesting these leguminous plants soil will be rich of water, rich of nitrogen because of this rhizobium bacteria. And then again they will plant what? They will grow paddy. So like this they will rotate. That is called a rotation. Crop is rotating. That is crop rotation. This is just done to get more nitrogen in the soil. And they will do one more thing. If they are growing paddy or wheat, in between the same plants, they also grow what? These leguminous plants. So the farmers will get beans or pea also. At the same time they can harvest what? This wheat or paddy. So the wheat or paddy is getting what? Nitrogen because of these leguminous plants, and leguminous plants can also grow very well. So that is called a mixed cropping. See, mixed or multiple cropping. Pea plants, and with the wheat or rice plants. They in a same field, both the plants together. That is called a mixed what? Cropping. These are doing for what? To get more nitrogen. So now you understood why the plants need nitrogen. Why do the plants need nitrogen? To prepare protein. So who is helping to get the nitrogen? Who is helping to get the nitrogen? The bacteria is called what? Rhizobium bacteria. Where is the rhizobium bacteria? Root nodules of pea plants or leguminous plants. So that only. So now the plants have prepared both what? Glucose and protein. And they are giving this to who? To somebody else, to others, to other animals. So we have discussed about all the autotrophic plants. That means the green plants. Now we are going to discuss about another type. Hetero. What is the meaning of hetero? Hetero means other, another. Trophic means nutrition. That means those plants depend on others for the food. Such plants are called what? Heterotrophic plants. Autotrophic needs somebody's help to prepare the food? No, they are preparing their own food. Have you noticed a mushroom? Where do the mushroom will grow? Yeah, it will grow on the very decay or an old wooden pot. It will grow nicely. And is there any roots or anything to absorb water, and is it in green color? No, it is not in green color, and it can't prepare any food. No leaves, nothing. So it can't prepare any food. So it is taking what? Ready-made food. See, already decay means the nutrients and all started to decay and mix into the soil. These nutrients they can take directly to the body. Such plants are called what? Heterotrophic plants. What are they? Heterotrophic plants. Next class we will discuss more about heterotrophic plants. So the main categories or types of heterotrophic plants are parasitic plants, insectivorous plants, saprotrophic plants, symbiotic plants. See, the terms should be very clear. I will send the keywords, read the keyword and send me the voice. Parasitic, insectivorous, saprotrophic and symbiotic. So these are the different types of heterotrophic plants. I will show you one example. Actually it is not a plant. I will just ask you one question. Can you identify what is this? It is not a plant, but it is a worm. What is it? Worm. Do you know where this worm find out? Where can you see this worm? Nowhere. In your body only. These worms are present in your stomach. Actually, if you are having food without washing your hands, if you are playing in the soil and all, what will happen? The eggs of these worms will go inside your nails. And while you are eating food without washing, it will enter into your stomach. And these worms can live very peacefully in your stomach. There is no need of water. It don't want any fresh air or anything. It can live in your body by taking nutrients from where? From your stomach. So such animals or such worms we can call what? They are called parasites. What is the term? Parasite. So who is a parasite? Somebody taking all your things without giving back. That is called a parasite. For example, any guest came in your house and coming inside he didn't bring anything. Any bakery items or any nothing. Always will come free hand and live for so many days and eat everything, and whatever you give, he will or she will eat and will not give you back return anything. Such a guest you can call as what? Parasite. Somebody is giving you only disturbance and not giving back any benefit. That is called a parasite. So the same way in the plant's case also there is one parasite. What is that? One type of plants called a parasite. You can see one picture in here. It is a picture of a mango tree. See, on this mango tree what will be there? Mangoes will be there, mango leaf will be there, branches will be there, maybe some birds will be there, that's all. But when you see some mango tree or some any other plants, any nice plants, you can see some thread-like structures from the plant. So many thread-like structures is coming, white color thread. So that is actually it is a plant. It is a plant, but it has no chlorophyll and it can't prepare food. That is called a cuscuta. What is its name? Cuscuta. Nice name, no? Beautiful name, cuscuta. So this cuscuta also have another name, is called amarabel. What is that? Amarabel. So amarabel and cuscuta, these are the plants act as parasites. It just come as a host, as a guest. Sorry, it came as a guest. And who is host here? That mango plant is the house. And who came as a guest? This cuscuta came as a guest and it started to stay on the plant. It never go from there. And what to do? Take all the food and nutrients, everything from this mango tree. So what happened later? Cuscuta will grow more and more and will be completely covered with that plant. And last, this mango tree will get damaged and it will die. That is only happened last. So this is called what? Parasite. Is it an animal? No, it is a plant. And it will do good or harm to the host? Harm to the host. So that will be today's topic. So today's topic we discussed about how the plants prepare protein. And next, one type of heterotrophic plant. What is that? Parasitic plant. Example is cuscuta. So that's a small portion. And so many are doing the worksheet without watching the video. It will be very clear when you see the worksheet. It is very clear. So please watch the video, then only you will get the terms and you will get some extra. Okay. So thank you.